how to fix PayPal friends and family option not appearing. So let's say that you are trying to send someone money. I'm just gonna do one as an example, then click on send, and in the next field here, if you click on next again, you can choose either friends and family, or you can do for goods and services. That's what's normally gonna appear. Now, why might the option be missing for you? The first thing that you need to do is to check if both accounts are personal. So make sure your account is personal and not business, and also that the receiver's account is also personal and not business. Another thing which might influence whether they can receive payments through friends and family is going to be their location. So currently, here's where friends and family is available, so you can do it or use it in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and many European nations or countries: Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Poland, Greece. Also countries like Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Cyprus, and Romania. Now, if you are located in a different country, then friends and family might not be available to you. And the only thing that you can do is essentially, so essentially what you can do, sorry, I got distracted. So essentially what you can do is just make sure that your accounts are personal and that the person is located in a supported country. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.